Alright guys, I'm gonna take a break on the truck. I'm waiting for some parts to come in. We got this fun thing known as rats on our farm. So they're chewing holes in the wood, chewing in down here by the bottom of the door, and coming in up there on the rafters in this little boxed in area. So we're gonna close all that in. Good part about having a plasma table is you can cut out all the steel plates you need. So I'll show you the patches we're making to try to keep these guys out of here. That way we can move the meat birds into this. This is a raised floor and the manure containment goes underneath. Right now it's too cold and there's no grass growing, so we're gonna have to keep the meat birds in here until we can get them out in pasture. Hopefully the grass will take off here shortly. Alright, I'll show you what it looks like when we get the plates in place. Okay, got them put in place. That one's right there, blocks that hole. 16 gauge steel. I don't think they're going to chew through it. If they do, not much else they can do. I got all the steel plates put up in here. So there's a chaseway on the back that's all boxed in and they run down it. And they chewed the top of the rafter and come over it. So the rest of it's closed in. They shouldn't be able to get in here. Well, that's the attempt to stop them. Though, wife and I decided we don't really want to use any rat poison. We don't want to take a chance of it getting to any of our other animals. So the other thing we're going to try is our friends, Old Yankee Farm, I believe it is. They have a YouTube channel. They actually live right next door to us. They use baking soda, I believe. And that's supposed to help with the rats. So we're going to try that next. So I'll get this finished up over here, and then I'll show you what the wife's doing for chores this weekend also. Are you cleaning the pigs?
Yeah, it's disgusting.
They make a little water mess? Mmm, yummy.
Little lot.
Ah, that's gross. You guys are lucky you can't smell this. Don't use hay for bedding. It makes a mess. Guys made a mess, didn't you? Say hi to the camera. Well, hello to you too.
Gross.
Hi, Stuart. Pig poop, it's wonderful. You have to wear it off, the smell. Almost ready, guys. I know. You ready? You ready for him, Beck? Alright, come on, guys.
Come on, babe. Come on. There you go. Good job. Good job, pigs. You know where to go, huh? Yeah, you know. Hi. It's okay. It's okay. It's just a theater.
It's new to him.
It's okay.
moving them outside, or actually to the new inside pen for now. Took a little video of the solar eclipse. The bright spot isn't the sun is actually down to the left a little bit. You can see it. I tried to zoom in best I could. I'm using a Weldon helmet shield for it, so it does have some glare and it does have some copy, so it looks like we have multiple suns in the sky. And like I said, the other is lens flare to the right. But that's what it looks like from our place. Alright, meat birds are all put in place. We put the wooden windows back up for now. There's still plenty of ventilation coming through, but we're trying to keep it a little bit warmer for them until the days get a little bit warmer here. But they seem to be doing good. So this is the chores we did over the last couple days in this video. Also brought a cow to the butcher shop. Unfortunately, we forgot to video that. Alright, if you guys get a chance, like, subscribe. If you leave comments, it'd be great. I'm trying to get people's input to see what they like on the farm videos, what they would like us to do. So if you could leave a comment, give us a suggestion, that would be awesome. Alright guys, thanks. We'll see you in the next video.